Hi friends, in previous our video we have studied real numbers and we have studied the concept of theorem. Under the theorem we are going to solve some questions. Here in NCERT syllabus page number 10 chapter number first, that is real number. In that example 5, the example he had given, consider the number 4 raised to n where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 raised to n ends with the digit 0. So friends, you understand the problem first? See here, the problem says that consider the number 4 raised to n. 4 raised to n is a number. N is a natural number. The value of n is any number. It should be natural number. For example, it is 4 raised to 1, 4 raised to 2, 4 raised to 3. Like that, n value should be anyone in natural number. Natural number, check whether there is any value of n. Means when you are putting a natural value for n, in those value, for any value of n, 4n ends with digit 0. Means the result of this should be that number which ends with 0. Consider it is y number, whatever the y it may be, but this number ends with 0. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, like this. Whatever this number may be, but ends with 0. This answer should ends with 0. This value, whatever it may be. When for any value of n where n is natural number, in this for any value of n, this value should be ends with 0. Like that, is there any value for n? Means if you put any value for n, a value for n, the whole answer should be like in the form of, the whole answer should be in the form of this type, ends with 0. This type, it is possible. Here it is possible or not, he is asking friends. You understand what I am telling? The problem you understand, I think. So, for this, consider what he had given. Consider the number 4 raised to n where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 raised to n ends with digit 0. Okay friends. So, consider if it ends with 0. Okay. If it ends with 0, then the prime fraction in this should be consider 5, because see, these all numbers, whatever the number it may be, which ends with 0, the number which ends with 0, always all are having 5 as a prime factor in these numbers. Because see here, for example, 10, what are the prime fractions? 2 into 5. 5 is there in this prime fraction. If you consider here, 2 into 2 into 5. Consider here, 2 into 2, no, 5 5 30 into 3. So 5 is there as a prime fraction. Consider here 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. All the numbers which are having 0 as end, those all number should have 5 as a prime factor. This is you understanding now? 5 should be there in their prime fraction. So come to here. 4 raised to n, if you convert it into the prime fraction, 4 raised to n can be written as 2 raised to 2n. Means 2 into 2. 2 into 2 should be there, 4. In n, whatever it may be, so this number 2 into 2, then this number repeats here. Means 4 raised to n, this number for n any value, 4 if you convert it into prime fraction, it is 2 raised to 2. Then n value, n is a natural value. So consider if you put n value in natural number, any number, if you put there, what will we get? Whatever the number, if you multiply with 2, it is an odd number. There is never the even number will comes here. But where he is saying the end digit should be 0, that numbers should have 5 as a prime factor, where 5 is an even number. 5 is an even number. Then if this result is ending with 0, then this number should have 5 as a prime factor. But where you consider here, it is not possible 5 comes as a fraction, even number will not come here as a factor, because this number is multiplying by 2. So 5 is no option to come as a prime factor here. So this is not possible. For n value, the digit which comes end digit 0 is not possible. The theory behind it, you understanding, friends? Yes. Now we are going to write the answer. Okay. What he is doing? The number 4 raised to n, where n is natural value. Natural value. First point. Then, if it is a natural value, the end digit should be equal to 0. When the end digit is 0, then there should be prime factor prime factor 5 is there, should be there. But if we consider 4 raised to m prime factor, that is 4 raised to n equal to 2 raised to 2n, here it is not possible 5 as a prime factor. Prime factor. This is the answer, friends. So next video we will go to the next problem. Bye.